What's going on, guys? It's Justin here, and we've made our way over to the Wheel Group booth to talk with Jason here all about Dirty Life wheels. So how are you, Jason? How's the show going for you? There's a lot going on here at SEMA.
You know, SEMA's a crazy event. It's huge. Well, I think it's 1.2 million square feet of stuff to see, so I challenge you to be able to see it all. You'll probably fail. But like you said, we're over here at the booth. Traffic is good. We got some nice vehicles, and we got some new additions to the lineup for you guys this year.
Yeah, and the Dirty Life wheels are one of my favorite wheels because you guys go mild to wild. You have everything from just your regular street wheels that look good, simulation beadlocks, some cool colors too, all the way up to those party beadlocks, you know, for your race car or off-road rig. So you guys have some new wheels in your lineup of the forged variety. You want to tell us about those?
So this year we decided time to step up our game. We're getting a lot deeper into racing, and obviously with the 6100 spec trucks and trophy trucks, they require something that's a little bit tougher. So with that, we have our classic roadkill, but in a full forged version. So this is a T6061 with the T6 treating. It is strong, rigid. It has all the same characteristics as our classic 9302. So a double helix engraving for the beadlock area, knurled back on the ring, solid back, thicker barrel, reinforced barrel anyway. They're extremely tough, and I can't wait to go out and jump some stuff.
Yeah, they look tough, and like I said, you guys kill the beadlock game. You know, we run a set on our JL, and they have done nothing but impress us. And like I said, them truck guys, they aren't nice to these things, and they need something a little tougher. And you guys answered the call, and they look fantastic as well.
Thank you for that. In the other than the 9302 that's been extremely popular for us, the Dual-Tek DT1 is our best seller, and everybody I talk to customer-wise, that's their best seller. So this year, with the craze of machines being everywhere, we came out with a DT1 machined expansion. So it's just a color expansion, the fitment, the construction, everything is the same as it's always been. But as we all know, the DT1 has some functions to it that a normal wheel doesn't have. The wheel can be a beadlock as well as a DOT wheel in the same wheel without having to buy two sets. You basically have to buy a forged beadlock ring, and there you go. Now you got a beadlock.
See, that is super awesome. So when you're building an off-road rig, it's they're never truly done. So, you know, you can buy a set of these wheels and you're like, yeah, I'm not ready for beadlocks yet. You know, maybe I'm not going to that crazy of a tire. I'm not going that hardcore off-roading, but down the road, this wheel can grow with you. So you're not having to buy another set of wheels again.
Exactly, yeah. Wheels are a big expense, you know what I mean? And it's really hard to do that twice. So with this wheel in general, you don't have to do it twice. You're spending I think the retail on that's $152 for a beadlock ring, opposed to $500 for a beadlock. So it's a really good savings, and like you said, builds are always changing. Your mind's always changing, and the parts are always changing. So we kind of thought about you guys for that.
Yeah, I like that a lot. Like I said, you're taking really good care of your customers, and you know, us at Summit, we love selling your guys' stuff. Like I said, these do really well for us, and you know, we run these on our own rig, and they're certainly proven I am not very nice to that thing.
So I've seen the videos.
So this full line of Dirty Life wheels is available at Summit Racing, so head over to one of our 4 retail store locations or over to summitracing.com to pick yourself up a set of Dirty Life wheels. Jason, this has been a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see what you guys come out with in the future because you're always doing something epic.
Always, always, always.
So until next time, guys, I'm Justin with Summit Racing. Thanks again, Jason, and we'll see you guys later.